Business and investment in the country are going through a series of internal crises, including high interest rates on loans, rising fuel prices, an overvalued dollar, and political uncertainty. Additionally, the global trade war has created various uncertainties in the export market. On top of that, the recent increase in gas prices has further challenged the competitiveness of the country's private sector. Industrial entrepreneurs say that the continued increase in gas prices will make it unsustainable for the industrial sector. New investment will be discouraged and employment may be at risk. They note that the recent 33% hike in gas prices for industries will have a negative impact across the entire sector. Previously, in 2023, gas prices for the industrial and power sectors were raised by 179%. Economists also believe that this latest price hike will become an additional burden for businesses. Moreover, if uninterrupted energy supply cannot be ensured despite the higher cost, the competitiveness of the private sector will further decline. Mohammad Hatem, the president of the Bangladesh Knitwear Manufacturers and Exporters Association (BKMES), said, due to the increase in gas prices for new industries, no new factories will be established and there will be no fresh investments. Even though the price of gas is being raised, the supply is not being increased. Capital, machinery, intermediate goods, petroleum, industrial raw materials, and consumer goods are considered the most vital components of an economy. Moreover, these categories are deeply interconnected. According to the latest data from Bangladesh Bank, 3 out of these 5 indicators have shown negative trends between July and February. Chairman of the private research organization Policy Exchange, M. Masroor Riaz, said, the import of capital, machinery and the foreign exchange reserves have not yet returned to their previous levels. Long-term political stability has not been achieved for investors. The cost of doing business is also higher here compared to our competitors. In the long run, to enhance our competitiveness, it is essential to increase allocations in areas that require critical reforms. President of the Dhaka Chamber of Commerce and Industry (DCCI), Taskin Ahmed, said, the 33% increase in gas prices and the rising interest rates on loans have significantly raised production costs in the industrial sector, putting the overall business environment under serious pressure. The Bangladesh Investment Development Authority (BIDA) has expressed concern over the issue. In a letter to the chairman of the Bangladesh Energy Regulatory Commission, BIDA's executive chairman Chaudhry Ashik Mohammed bin Harun stated that the decision to increase gas prices by 33% for new investors is discriminatory and will hinder the flow of foreign investment into the country. While BIDA does not oppose the government's move to reduce subsidies, it emphasized that the reduction should be applied uniformly across the board. Ummerumman Kranti, Daily Sun.
For more updates, follow us on Facebook. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Get the latest update on www.daily-sun.com.